Hello, this is Adam Rosh from Rosh Review. Let's do another question that may pertain to the ABEM Open Book Concert Exam. So if you get a question that has to do with, let's say, toxic alcohols and possibly ethylene glycol, in my search exams field, I can add in ethylene glycol, click search, and this will bring me to this page here, toxic alcohols. I click on that. And now I have a very nice question that pertains to ethylene glycol and specifically the treatment of ethylene glycol. And we see here that it's fomepizole. So that is a quick and easy way to find out the management or treatment of ethylene glycol toxicity. And to get more information, I could come down and read the explanation and understand the clinical presentation of ethylene glycol toxicity, some of the lab abnormalities that are associated with it. And we have a very nice diagram to look at the metabolites and many of the complications, such as renal tubular necrosis and hypocalcemia. So this is a quick and easy way to learn more about specific topics that you may be asked to answer on your ABEM Open Book Concert Exam.